I'm George.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Zara, we're from Ysgol John Bright. Our main aim is to encourage participation, boost confidence for competitive and non-competitive students.
We have decided as young ambassadors that participation in extracurricular clubs is quite an important part of the school, and this can include in-house competitions as well as promote, and as young ambassadors we have aimed to promote extracurricular clubs.
So we're going to find out what activities students want to do and what we don't have at the moment. We're going to go into assemblies to kind of talk to year groups about what they want to do more, and then we'll send out questionnaires and surveys to form tutors to kind of find out what activities they want to do.
This will help us to improve the quality of extracurricular activities and hopefully to make them more enjoyable and also to find any problems that we can act upon.
We're going to target specific age groups for year 7 and 8 at after school events and sports. So this will kind of encourage them to, they'll kind of want to do better and they will do more sports.
We as young ambassadors will run and organise it. This will hopefully lead to students feeling more confident within themselves.
We have also come up with the idea of fundraising events to raise money for more sports and sports equipment and encourage a bigger flame of different sports. If this is achieved, students will become healthier and fitter. We young ambassadors have thought of creating specific clubs for girls and boys to make them feel confident in their own environment. This is aimed at year 9 and onwards, because being silver ambassadors in year 10 ourselves, we have discovered there's not a lot of confidence in our year, and we would like to change that.
These clubs will involve fitness clubs or other various sports that students find enjoyment in. This will have the support of the teacher and sports ambassadors, so there's plenty of people for the students to go to.
There'll also be second.